front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness. Now scroll all the way down right away to click on Screen Refresh Rate. Last but not least, click on the one you wanna apply: Dynamic, Standard or High. When you're ready, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh of my HONOR has changed. Personally, I always recommend to try Dynamic because it won't cause your device to heat up so fast. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!